Hello everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to make a Chinese doll. All you need is a blue square sheet, red square sheet, black square sheet, white square sheet, rubber band and a white rectangle, scissors and glue. Taking the blue sheet first, start folding in a zigzag manner. Fold it exactly from the middle. Stick it with the help of a glue. Keep it at a side. Now take the red sheet and do the same with it. Fold this too from the middle. Now taking the previous one and this one together, attach them with the help of a rubber band. Now open the wings. The dress of a doll is ready. Now taking the white sheet, draw a face structure on it. Use scissors to cut it up. Keep it at a side. Take the black sheet and draw a hair structure of a doll. Cut it too. Now taking the face and hair together, stick them with the help of a glue. Now to make facial expressions, you can use either a marker or a pencil. I am using a marker. Isn't it cute? Now taking a rectangle sheet, draw a straight line on it. Cut the edges and try to give a curved shape. This strip is for legs. Now taking the dress, stick the face on it. Attach the legs too. A beautiful Chinese doll is ready. If you like my work, please share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.